Hi, my name is Floyd Mueller from the Exertion Games Lab. We are presenting limited control over the body as intriguing play design resource. Our vision in the Exertion Games Lab is to experience the body as play, building on the realization that we used to play with digital content using traditional interfaces such as a keyboard, to then playing with the digital using our bodies thanks to the Wii and the Kinect. But what we really want is to experience our bodies as digital play. And this vision led us to a desire to more deeply understand control in games, because without control, games become just stories. And as we aim to integrate the human body, we have become interested in control over the body. In particular, limited control over actions, detected by sensors in our case, that involve movement of parts of the body other than the brain. For example, it seems I have a lot of control over my hand and fingers. However, there's always some limitations, such as when I'm trying to do this. Our goal was to provide you with strategies that help you exploit limited control over the body for play design. We identified 14 strategies, which can be grouped into exploration, learning, embracement, and reflection. We talk about the first two today. What we have done is we look back at our past games through a lens of limited control over the body. And we will use Inside Out and Balance Ninja to illustrate two strategies from the exploration and learning groupings. The strategies are not specific for each game, but we found that specific examples help illustrate them. Let us begin by showing you an excerpt of the Inside Out video that engaged with limited control over the inside of the human body.
Imaging capsules are medical devices that allow us to see our interior body. However, patients often experience anxiety when swallowing medical devices. To address this, we utilized game design thinking and posed the question, what if we combine imaging capsules with digital play? We present Inside Out. Players swallow an imaging capsule and the video is displayed outside their body to be shared and interacted with. Inside Out features 3 types of games that let players explore how their interior body responds to bodily actions, such as eating, drinking, or being physically active.
Inside Out highlights the exploration strategy. In particular, we highlight the opportunity to support players in exploring the limits of control over their bodies and the different ways to reach these limits, such as by eating different foods or twisting the body as seen in the video. Balance Ninja is concerned with limited control over one's balance to facilitate a sensation of vertigo.
Vertigo has been described in game design as games that attempt to momentarily destroy the stability of perception and inflict a kind of voluptuous panic, or pleasurable panic, upon an otherwise lucid mind. So, for example, vertigo games could include simply spinning in circles, skiing, racing fast cars, and even rock climbing. With our work, we investigate how we can design digital vertigo games by taking advantage of the digital technology now available to us. To investigate this, we built Balance Ninja. Balance Ninja is a 2-player balance game where players directly affect the balance of their opposing player. Firstly, players stand on a balance board and move their upper body to the left and to the right, and we measure this lean with a mobile device. Secondly, through using a technology called Galvanic Vestibular Stimulation, or GVS for short, the game directly affects a player's sense of balance. With GVS, a small current of around 1.5 milliamps is applied to electrodes attached behind players' ears. The resultant effect is that the player's sense of balance is affected in the direction of the positive electrode, causing them to lean in that direction. Balance
Ninja highlights learning. In particular, we recommend to provide safe environments where players can learn how to increase bodily control by going to their limits without real-world consequences, as seen in the video how players learn their maximum leaning angle. In summary, we provided strategies of how to engage with limited control over the body, which we illustrated through 2 examples. The strategies were grouped into exploration and learning. And this was our talk on limited control over the body as intriguing play design resource. And here are the strategy groupings again. My name is Floyd Mueller. Thank you very much.